Hello. In this WAGO tutorial, we show how to start print jobs from multiple projects in SmartScript. With the release of SmartScript version 4.9.5.1, it is now possible to send multiple print jobs from different projects to one or more printers. Essentially, three different cases can be distinguished. Case 1, several projects using the same material and one printer. Case 2, several projects using different materials and one printer. Case 3, several projects using different materials and several printers. We start with the first case, several projects in which the same material is to be printed on a single smart printer. In SmartScript, we have already created 3 projects. All projects use the 11mm labeling strip 2009-110. When a project is open in the project window, this is indicated here by a green border. To start the print job, we can open the print preview via the menu using Print All. All open projects are taken over. We select the same printer for all projects and can still change the printer settings separately for each project. Clicking Print starts the printing and the projects are printed one after the other. You can also open the print preview by selecting the desired projects in the file browser pane while holding the Control key, opening the right-click menu and choosing Print All. Only the 2 selected projects are then taken into the print preview. If only one project is to be printed, we can either select the corresponding project here and open the single project print preview via the right-click menu. Alternatively, using the menu and choosing only Print opens the simple print preview, and the current project in the editing window is open in the print preview. If multiple projects with different materials are to be printed on a single printer, this is also possible without problems. For this case, we have 3 print jobs with different materials and start printing. The first project also uses the labeling strip 2009-110. Once the print job is complete, we need to change the material in the printer. To do this, we open the Prepare Printer dialog, which guides us through the necessary steps for loading the new material. In previous versions of SmartScript, this dialog was referred to as Calibrate Printer. Once the second project has been printed, we open the Prepare Printer dialog again, change the material, and we're ready to print the third project. Especially when different printer materials are used frequently, it is advisable to operate multiple printers, each loaded with a dedicated material. This significantly reduces setup times and minimizes material waste. So, we open the print preview again with our 3 projects that use different materials and can now assign different printers here. It is naturally helpful if the printers are named clearly. The names can be changed in the printer management. Clicking Print starts printing the 3 projects simultaneously, each on one of the selected printers. And that concludes the tutorial on how to send multiple print jobs from different projects with different materials to one or more printers using the SmartScript printing software. Please give us a thumbs up if the video helped you, subscribe to the channel and contact the WAGO Support Center if you have any questions.